beautiful people. I pray this year be a blessed year for us. It's a girl again, Amakoma Boko. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, click on the notification bell for more videos. So this is on a natural remedy in treating dry throat and cough due to the dry season we are in now. We're using lemon, garlic, ginger, and honey. And this ingredient is not just for treating dry throat and cough. It also helps in boosting our immune system. With no more further ado, let's dive right in. So over here is a 3 garlic clove, a ginger, you can use any amount you want, and lemon, and also honey. This remedy is taken 3 times a day, one in the morning, one afternoon, and evening. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time.